So Tish is an entrepreneur CEO that's really good at sublimation. Actually, she got on one of her shirts now. Some of the early sublimations and stuff that I got from her. And we had networked her and a few other people about trying to make small companies into one big, powerful corporation. I went and got it. And what I want to do is I want to do something different that YouTube don't do, which is show you how to hook all this stuff up from beginning to end. Sharita, you got any questions while I take this out the box?
No, I don't have any questions. I'm just like watching, excited to see what's about to happen. I love your shirt though.
Thank you.
Mine?
Oh, wait a minute. Does that say Feb? No, not yours.
Wait a minute. Wait. Hey, y'all
Yeah,
need
it's
to
a
see mine. Let
February
me show y'all
girl.
my shirt.
Oh my goodness. I'm a February girl too. I love your shirt. Absolutely.
Oh, so y'all just gonna ignore my shirt, huh?
Well, we was having a conversation, and I was telling her when my day is.
That's that female stuff I always talk about. That's what that is.
No, that was a February thing. You missed out on that. See,
Wait,
don't
let
be
me
like
call
that.
her. I need to call a brother to be in on here. Let me see if I can get a brother in on this conversation.
Whatever. You
Y'all
almost
kidding.
finished. Did you just mad because you don't have a
Hey
February
man, what you
birthday?
doing? They was commenting on TShirt because she had a nice shirt on. So I'm like, y'all like my shirt? They ignored it like I ain't even stand up and show them nothing.
I saw his shirt and we're ignoring his shirt. We are
But I was still talking and we was not, you was interrupting.
Can you handle my lightweight?
Ladies, can y'all show him some appreciation for his shirt, please?
No.
What the part I didn't miss was the lack of appreciation and the display of selfishness. I got you. Y'all get off my board.
So that's it, Doc. So appreciate you, man.
All right, hey, I'm gonna need a shirt with silk with this is what a silk press is on it real soon.
Okay, wait, we got you.
All right, y'all take it easy.
All right, Doc.
I see ya. Let's go. What's up, it's your boy Cody here, Chi-Town.
Oh, Cody, my friend, I invited my friend Gwen on the line.
Hey, Gwen, I see you.
Me and my mom. So I made this the first thing that I did with the sublimation ink. Yeah.
So you took it from one of your pictures that you did?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Put it on the shirt first, but on the shirt I put it with that the vinyl on top of the vinyl, and then I used the sublimation on that pillow.
Okay.
I think that's it. I'm going to read directions on the ink stuff and instead of wasting more time, I really wanted this one to be about educating myself on what I'm about to get into. Because I saw your work and I really like what you was doing, and I want to be a part of a team that, no order's too big for you to say you can't do it if you got a couple of people that have like interests in creating art on garment. So this is how you refill them?
That's how you feel it, right? I'm just don't understand. You might as well go and do that now. You want it?
Well,
I'm just saying.
When you said and I said that means don't be like everybody else say if you want to hide something from a person, put it in the book. So I'm gonna take the time to at least look at the quick reference of the device, and then that may save me on some questions I have for you. And just open doors and open flaps and stuff to see how it operates, so I won't look like so I need to just
reading is fundamental.
Yes, read it. Just read it.
Wait a minute, let me switch cameras. I need you to see my face on this one like John Hannah. Shut up. I wasn't talking to you like that. I'm saying, and like the man just said, y'all should be giving me a little support. You want to read my shirt again?
Why the shirt is really not that great.
Gwen, what you got to say about my shirt?
I don't see it. Oh, it says, I'll read it to you. It says, remember, prostitutes are rented. What else? Stand up, Cody.
Girlfriends are
leased and wives are financed. Oh no. And I'm gonna tell you got a typo. That's why you got a typo in it.
Oh, well, I ain't do it. Someone did it for me.
Yeah, and they got a typo. So that tells you a lot about that T-shirt.
Where you got the message. What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Kuda Design here. Thank you guys for tuning in. We're back for another episode of Sublimation Begins right here with the ET15000. Y'all know what it is. There it is right there. Tish. I went online and I saw this lady talking about putting my ink in here versus the ink that came with the ET15000. So what do you think?
I think you got the wrong
ink?
it's still Hippo ink, right?
These holes right here, it's got a line that goes through it, but the tip of this ink
don't have a line. You bought that about yourself, so the top's supposed to look like this. You see how this look?
No, man, I don't look like that. And this is what my bottle looks like.
This is
oh no. We working with a
and
whole
on this one, it looks like on the Hippo for that one, it looked like this.
I see that, and it's almost like got a suction top that allows it to do what it got to do. Okay, I see it, and it's got the, yep, I see it. Okay. All righty, so ladies and gentlemen, tune in.
This is the box.
Yeah, this is my box. I didn't do my thorough investigation before I bought the ink, so here's the thing. You said it's the same ink. So I'm gonna be a man's man for a moment. I ain't sending it back. I done had this machine for a week.
Well, you know what? You ain't got to send it back. I mean, but.
And I ain't gonna order none because that's gonna hold up the process. The train is in the track. The train is at the station. It's ready to pull off.
Well, then you just gonna have to go in there with that syringe and do them individually.
You know, if the doctors can use it, the people hook it up, they understand me, can use it. This sublimation printer is about to use it. And the lady on YouTube said that it works. Doggone it, I got you in my description. If this make a mess, I'm sending everybody to your page to talk about what you stood behind on YouTube and said it's gonna work. We ain't holding up this tray. All aboard?
Yeah, put some gloves on then, because it's gonna probably be a mess.
Don't put that in the atmosphere. We don't put negativity in the atmosphere.
I just try to put truth in the atmosphere.
See, I'm gonna have to find me another host because you ain't rolling with the program. I got on my gloves. I got my syringe. She said, put this down in here. Suck it up. I feel like I'm a phlebotomist right about now.
Yeah, you doing something.
You know, I used to do that when I did orthopedics. So, put this in here and squeeze. I ain't making a mess.
Look at you doing good.
And I see it down there.
Okay.
So seeing that this is gonna be the little train, the little engine that could, like you said, this might take a long time. I'm about to be the little engine that could and go to put this ink in here that she says she didn't recommend this ink, so I really can't. So I even tried doing this of getting the bubbles toward the top so I can not have bubbles toward the bottom of the syringe. Now I know why the phlebotomists also do that, because you don't want air bubbles going into the person.
Okay, let me explain to you about that. That's not what phlebotomists do. That's what a nurse would do when she's trying to put IV or put some medicine.
Same thing. We talking
No,
the same thing.
I just want to make sure you know that is not what we do.
No, that's why people struggle with relationships, because you was flowing with the conversation.
I'm
you
sorry.
Knew what I was trying to say.
Yeah, but
okay, everybody know now you do sublimation and you also a phlebotomist. Go and put that out there while I put this last little bubble piece in here. Go and let the people know what you do. Go ahead.
No, that's not what I was trying to do, but I want to say something about these bubbles. I don't know if you should be continuing to do that because you're pressing that down.
No, I'm not. I'm not pressing it down.
Okay.
I'm just going slow when the bubbles trying to come to the top, and when the bubbles boop, 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 I continue doing it. So once I found out how to get a rhythm to this, it didn't take me as long to get the next color in because I had a little pattern and a rhythm to how to get the ink in there. So the first one I kind of took my time with because I was watching for the overflow at the top. And now that I seem to have a good rhythm, this syringe isn't as bad as I thought it was. The first one, how to do the second one to make it not have as many bubbles in there by tilting the bottle and not necessarily trying to fill up the entire syringe. And I'm already at the halfway point, and this only took me like a few minutes. So what I decided is keep my syringe clean. I'm just gonna put in this water and watch how it turned color. Just go through the syringe, put it back in there, boom. Keep the syringes clean for the next time. Surgery is done. We got the phlebotomist slash sublimation host in the house that started all this problem. She said it ain't no fault, but we ain't gonna talk about that. But now it's time to turn the machine on. So let me make space here for the phase 2 of this project as we get this process going. Since I couldn't have popcorn earlier, I got my food. So let me close this tray. All right. Sound like it's doing a little something. It says processing. It took a minute and it's saying congratulations.
Okay. You installed your new print. Okay. There you go.
I would say number 5.
No, it's not number 5. You know why it's not number 5? Because number 5 got streaks even going across it, not just going down.
I want to do a print head cleaning because all of them had stuff on there that shouldn't have been on there. I never got a solid line. So I'm thinking that when it went through its cycling through, maybe something got clogged or something. So just for the sake of it, since I ain't did nothing first, I'm gonna do a print head cleaning and see what happens. So let me just randomly pick something. Let me go to my embroidery pictures. Okay, let me print this out. See that?
Look at it, and it got colors. So that's where we got to go in here and change your color. So we're gonna have to do that on a you're gonna have to share your screen with me so I can show you what to do, or you know. But let's do this first to see what it look like.
I got you. So we're gonna go to the printer. It's all my Epson. I don't want to do landscape. I want to do portrait. 8.5 by 11, plain paper, bright white, photo size, full paper, page margin normal, fit the page. Yes. More settings.
Go in there.
It doesn't really talk about the color or anything on here. So you're right. I'm gonna find. Output quality standard.
Put
standard high.
High quality for that.
Then it says custom settings. All right, here we go.
Mirror that because your printer not set to mirror. It really don't matter. It's not. There's no words on there anyway. But that's something you got to remember. You set the printer to mirror automatically.
So I got that part. I just want to see the step of printing and see what, leaving it just like it is. And I put this image next to the laptop to see how the color changed.
Well, it's not gonna look the same. Okay, let me tell you a little something about that too. So you need to have your heat press on. Should have it on so you can heat that up. So I'm always putting my print after I print it under some heat so it can dry, basically.
There it is. Cool. I printed out my first one.
You sure did, but this is what I want to know. What you gonna press it on?
Look. You gotta baby step this.
Well, we ain't gonna be able to tell what it's like until you put it on something. Do you have some
Ladies and gentlemen, this is where the man interrupt the woman. I ask you to get me set up. I got it set up. You got on my back about the syringe. You got on me about the phlebotomy bubbles versus the nurse. We printed it out. I couldn't do the color settings. Give a brother a break. Okay. I just want to see the bad fella on. It's been in the box for a week. I got something.
You didn't print out your first image, so you excited. You didn't print out your first image, so you excited.
Hey, if I was anybody else out there, we just glad to see this. Y'all saw the steps we went through, all these clicking the buttons and alignment and all this stuff. I just want to see if the bad fella print. I'm happy. What I'm gonna print this on, I don't care. It can print on the back of this mannequin that's over here. Let me show you. It could go on this mannequin. I don't care. I just want to see the bad fella print.
Okay, got you.
But now, all seriousness, I do have some cotton. I do have some polyester. This shirt you did for me, what was this?
That's polyester.
Okay. Because I see branding. You see she got her own tag in there.
I see ya. Let's go. What's up, it's your boy Cody here, Chi-Town.